Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve Play Store app you might not need problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting and scroll down. Click on app management. Click on app list and scroll down. Search or find out Google Play Store app. Click on Play Store app. Tap on Force Stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Tap on three dot menu. Tap on reset app preference. Tap on reset app. Now go to Play Store. Tap on profile icon and click on manage app device and click this option. Now problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.